Guys, what's going on? I am in the middle of the rebuild on my RM 125. As you can see, got my new piston in, got my ring on, got the bearing I needed, and it still cranks just fine. I cleaned out my jug, get it on there. I need to clean out my carb. This carb is just horrible. Need to work on it, get it done. But I do need my sprocket. When I got this thing, the sprocket was too small, as you can see. Just ridiculous. It made me mad. Need to put my chain back together. It just needs work. That's what it is. That's what it needs. As you can see, it ain't gonna take much. I'll have my head back on and everything, my jug, and then I'll be putting it back together, get it running. Then I'll take a video of it running and post it. See you, YouTube.